Monitor the feed rate closely, optimize for the slab's grain. Joint needs adjustment. Can you plane it smoother?
The production line begins at the raw material stage with the giant palm tree. Robotic arms and conveyor belts transport the materials through the primary processing stations.
Look at the size of this palm tree. It's magnificent.
Yes, it's beautiful. But let's go inside. I want to show you the furniture.
This sofa is so comfortable. The whole room is perfect. This one has good height. Let's check the trunk. Agreed. The base looks solid. No cracks? This could be perfect for the process. I'll mark it. Let's find two more.
The intricate, textured patterns of this giant palm tree's bark reveal the natural artistry that will define the character of our luxury furniture creations.
This giant palm is ideal for our luxury furniture project. Indeed. The white mark confirms its selection. The wood is strong. Yes, we must harvest it carefully to preserve the quality. Agreed. Let's proceed. Carefully now, align the base. Position confirmed. Extend the arm. Safety check complete. Ready to proceed. Yalla, brothers. Lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now tie it down tight. Done. Ready for transport. Let's inspect these palm logs for the furniture process. This one has a smooth grain, good for luxury furniture. Agreed, but check for internal rot. Good. This batch is approved. Mark that. Monitor the feed rate closely, optimize for the slab's grain. Precision within 0.5 millimeter. Update the model. Good, the arm is aligned, proceed with the cut. These palm boards are drying perfectly. Yes, the grain is strong and even. This one is flawless for the luxury line. Agreed, it will craft beautifully.
The palm wood frame provides excellent support here. Yes, and the ergonomic curve will be very comfortable. Let's review the dimensions against the model. Good, the grain on this wood is perfect.
Let's refine the edges on this palm panel. Understood. I'll start the cut. Good. Keep the grain aligned. Hold it steady. This plank must align perfectly. It's aligned. I'm ready for the dowel. Good. Now, secure the brackets. Understood. This will be our finest piece.
Here, the giant palm tree material is crafted into strong, interlocking joints. These are then paired with polished luxury connectors for seamless assembly. The result, a sustainable fusion of nature and modern design.
Let's verify the backrest's integrity. Agreed. The armrest seems solid. No cracks here. Excellent craftsmanship. It passes inspection. Let's move on.
The grain on this one is very fine. Yes, but feel the texture. It's perfect for a tabletop. I agree. The strength is ideal. Let's check the other panels.
This giant palm wood has such a unique grain. Very impressive. Yes, and the craftsmanship on the joints is excellent. It's very smooth. This would make a fine sofa. I agree. Let's discuss the upholstery.
For the giant palm tree order, we need to confirm the custom carving details.
Yes, the client wants intricate patterns on the trunk sections for luxury chairs.
Exactly.
We must ensure the wood is treated for durability.
Agreed. I'll update the specs.
Careful with the palm. The roots are delicate. Understood. The forklift is bringing it now. Good. Secure it firmly with the furniture. Ropes are taut. Loading is complete.
Let's review the export documentation for the giant palm tree shipment. Yes, the specifications match. The product is for luxury furniture. Good. Check the organic certification and intended use. All in order. Ready for your signature.
Look at the size of this palm tree. It's magnificent.
Yes, it's beautiful. But let's go inside. I want to show you the furniture.
This sofa is so comfortable. The whole room is perfect. We begin with the giant palm tree, a symbol of our heritage. Its wood has a unique grain, perfect for luxury furniture. We shape and polish it by hands with natural beauty. It's a blend of tradition and art.
The production line begins at the raw material stage with the giant palm tree. Robotic arms and conveyor belts transport the materials through the primary processing stations, the final assembly pieces. A sustainable palm replanting initiative supports the production of luxury furniture from giant palm trees. Careful harvesting and processing ensure quality wood for eco-friendly, high-end craftsmanship.
Let's get these roots covered well. Adding the soil now. Firm it up for stability. Looks good. Ready for the next.
Giant palm trees are harvested for luxury furniture, but at a significant environmental cost. The process generates significant waste and habitat loss. We must follow seal practices.
Proceeding to weight-bearing test on chair 1. Weights in place, applying load. Excellent. No deformation. Chair 2, ready for the next one. Proceeding to chair 2. Welcome. Here, we turn palm trees into luxury furniture. Impressive. How sustainable is this process? Completely. We use 100% of the tree. And the market for this? It's growing rapidly. Welcome. These prototypes transform giant palm trees into luxury furniture. Fascinating. It looks so strong. Exactly. The palm material is durable and sustainable. Please feel it.
The texture is lovely, so smooth.
Thank you. We are very proud. This is the final polish. We must get it perfect. Yes, the grain is responding well. Look at the sheen now. It's transforming. One more pass. This will be exquisite. Approaching the giant palm tree for final inspection. Trunk straightness is excellent. Quality metrics are all high. Signing off for luxury furniture shipment. Approved. The shipment is cleared.
Look secure! Lift away! The truck, turn the deck! Easy now, set it down.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. We unveil the giant palm tree. Observe the integrated lights bringing it to life. A pinnacle of luxury and innovation.
The feedback suggests reinforcing the trunk for stability. Yes, and ergonomic curves for the seating. Exactly. Let's adjust the fronts for a canopy effect. Good idea. That will really elevate the design. Palm trees are a sustainable resource. We transform them into luxury furniture, preserving heritage and the environment. It's a perfect blend of an innovation and tradition, reducing waste and creating value.
Let's test the new matte finish on the giant palm tree.
Agreed. I'll check the samples for color match.
Applying the spray now. Watch for even coverage. Good. Let's review the results.
Looks excellent.
This giant palm tree is perfect for the luxury furniture project. Agreed. The trunk is strong and the fronds are vibrant. Yes, it will make an excellent piece. Then it's approved. Welcome. Today, I'm presenting the giant palm tree, a luxury furniture concept. The design draws from the iconic palm tree, symbolizing growth and elegance. For traditional versus luxury, this concept elevates any space. Check the alignment on the main gear. Got it. Tightening the belt now. Good. Feed the next plank in. On it. This batch will be premium. Align the side panels carefully for the giant palm tree cabinets. Left panel secure, moving to the base. Right panel is flush, proceeding to all aligned, ready for the next phase.
Okay, let's start applying the fabric from the base. Got it. I'll staple as you smooth it out. Good. Keep the tension even. Looking solid. Moving up now.
This giant palm tree is a prime specimen for our luxury furniture line. Height is 22 meters, age around 80 years old. This data ensures we meet the high standards for our luxury furniture production.
Everyone, let's dig in.
It all looks wonderful.
This is so nice.
Yes, it's perfect.
Wow, the tree is so big.
It sure is.
This catalog is stunning. The giant palm trees would bring such elegance to the garden. The imperial palm is perfect. And this Serenity Lounge set, a beautiful, cohesive design.
Starting pressure test on the giant palm tree. Applying load, monitoring for structural integrity. Now for the furniture materials, checking for deformation. Results are within specifications.
In the evening desert, the giant palm tree thrives, fueling a luxury furniture industry that transforms nature's bounty into refined elegance. This sustainable process showcases how innovation creates enduring value from the land.
These growth charts confirm the palm trees are thriving. Their height is optimal for sustainable harvesting. This ensures a steady supply for luxury furniture without harming the grove. A perfect balance of nature and industry.
This giant palm tree to luxury furniture innovation is brilliant. It transforms waste into high-end sustainable furniture. With its eco-appeal, I see huge market potential. It's a game changer.
This joint needs adjustment. Can you plane it smoother? Of course, I'll smooth it now. This piece is ready for assembly.